देखिए हर खबर यहीं पर, सब्सक्राइब कीजिए TV9 भारतवर्ष।
I repeat, economic activity has come to a standstill during the period of the lockdown with consequential lingering effects which have unambiguously affected the cash flows of households and businesses. On March 27, the Reserve Bank had permitted lending institutions to grant moratorium of 3 months on payment of the current dues falling due between 1st March and May 31st. It is recognized that the onset of COVID-19 has also exacerbated the challenges for such borrowers even to honor their commitments which have fallen due on or before February 29, 2020 in standard accounts. The Basel Committee on Banking Supervision has taken cognizance of the financial and economic impact of COVID-19 and very recently announced that the payment moratorium periods, public or granted by banks on a voluntary basis relating to COVID-19 outbreak, can be excluded by banks from the number of days past due in respect of NPA recognition. Therefore, it has been decided that in respect of all accounts for which lending institutions decide to grant moratorium or deferment and which were standard as on 1st March 2020, the 90-day NPA norm shall exclude the moratorium period. That is, there would be an asset classification standstill for all such accounts from 1st March to 31st May 2020. NBFCs which are required to comply with Indian accounting standards Ind AS may be guided by the guidelines duly approved by their boards and as per the provisions and as per the advisories of the Institute of Chartered Accountants of India in recognition of impairments. In other words, NBFCs do have the flexibility under the prescribed accounting standards to consider such relief to their borrowers. At the same time, we are cognizant of risk build-up in banks' balance sheets on account of firm-level stress and delays in recoveries. With the objective of ensuring that banks maintain sufficient buffers and remain adequately provisioned to meet future challenges, they will have to maintain a higher provision of 10% on all such accounts under the standstill, spread over 2 quarters, that is March, that is the quarter ending March 2020 and June 2020. These provisions can be adjusted later on against the provisioning requirements for actual slippages in such accounts. You see, while we are announcing certain forbearances, etc., for the banks, Reserve Bank as the regulator of the banking system has to ensure that our banks remain financially healthy over a period of time and in the long term. So therefore, while announcing
कुल मिलाकर हमारे जो
prudential
अनाउंसमेंट अभी जो हम कर रहे हैं, जो ऐलान कर रहे हैं, उससे प्रयास ये रहेगा कि जो हमारे बैंकों की स्थिति है, जो हमारे बैंकों की कंडीशन है, वो स्वस्थ रहे आने वाले समय तक। ये लॉन्ग टर्म इम्पैक्ट को कम करने की कोशिश है कोविड-19 से जो नुकसान पहुंचने वाला है उससे, और कोविड-19 से जो अर्थव्यवस्था में नुकसान पहुंचा है उससे। ये जो मेजर्स हैं, ये बैंकों को आने वाले समय तक मजबूत रखने का प्रयास करेंगे।
To sort of appropriately deal with it in their accounts. The next announcement relates to extension of resolution timeline. Under RBI's prudential framework of resolution of stressed assets dated June 7, 2019, in the case of large accounts under default, scheduled commercial banks, all India financial institutions, NBFCs which are non-deposit taking but systemically important, and deposit-taking NBFCs are currently required to hold an additional provision of 20% if a resolution plan has not been completed within 210 days from the date of such default. Recognizing the challenges to the resolution of stressed assets in the current volatile environment, it has been decided that the period of resolution plan shall be extended by 90 days. The details of this announcement will, of course, be spelled out in the circular which will be issued. The next announcement relates to distribution of dividend. It is imperative that banks conserve capital to retain their capacity to support the economy and absorb losses in an environment of heightened uncertainty. It has therefore been decided that in view of the COVID-19 related economic shock, scheduled commercial banks and cooperative banks shall not make any further dividend payouts from profits pertaining to the financial year ended 31st March 2020 until further instructions. This restriction shall, however, be
बैंक
reviewed
जो
on the
है
basis of the
31
financial
2020
position
तक
of banks
डिविडेंड
for the
नहीं
quarter
देंगे,
ending September
क्योंकि अभी जो
30,
फाइनेंशियल कंस्ट्रेंट्स हैं, जो
2020.
दिक्कतें हैं, उसको देखते
The
हुए
next announcement relates to LCR, liquidity coverage ratio. The Reserve Bank, and this is this is a norm which has been prescribed for the banks, as you would know. Reserve Bank has been proactively taking measures to address systemic liquidity issues through a slew of monetary and market operations. In order to ease the liquidity position
Bank
at the level of individual
जो है,
institutions, the LCR requirement for scheduled commercial banks is, we have now decided that the LCR requirement of scheduled commercial banks will be brought down from, it is being brought down from 100% to 80% with immediate effect. I repeat,
LCR को
LCR requirement
immediately
is being brought down
अभी
from
से ही
100% to 80%
100%
with
से
immediate effect.
80% लेके आ गए.
The requirement
Scheduled
shall be
commercial banks के
gradually,
लिए.
however, restored back in two phases, 90% by 1st October 2020 and 100% by
मोराटोरियम
1st
में
April
एनपीए के लिए 90 दिनों का
2021.
नियम शामिल नहीं.
The next announcement relates to NBFC loans to commercial real estate projects. In terms of extant guidelines for banks, the date for commencement of commercial operations, DCCO, in respect of loans to commercial real estate projects, delayed for reasons beyond the control of promoters, can be extended by additional 1 year over and above the 1 year extension permitted in the normal course, without treating the same as
जो
restructuring.
कमर्शियल रियल एस्टेट प्रोजेक्ट
And
के लिए लोन दे
restructuring,
रही है,
as you know,
उसके
would
लिए
obviously have
डिले जो है
implications
उसको 1
for
साल के लिए हमने और बढ़ा दिया है.
classification.
न्यूज टॉप 9 रोज सुबह 7 बजे और शाम 7 बजे सिर्फ TV9 भारतवर्ष पर.